Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to create an automation. So in order to create an automation, all you need to do is that you need to come on this automation section and click on create workflow. You can select from different templates or you can start from scratch. I am going to start from scratch. I'm going to build an automation and guide you how you can do that as well. So for this automation, I do have an example. Let's say on your website, you have a form, and when someone submits that form, you want to send them an email. So the trigger here is that when someone submits the form, right? So for the trigger, we are going to choose form submission, right? So let's say a person came on our website, he saw the form and he filled it out. So in this automation, our trigger is that when someone submits the form, we need to send them an email. So once they will submit the form, they will certify the condition of the trailer. I am going to add a filter here, and in filter I will choose which form I am referring to. So let's just say form is this one, A2B, that I have created, and I am going to click on save trigger. Once I do, my trigger has been saved, which means anytime someone submits the A2B form, this workflow will trigger. Now, my next action is whenever someone submits a form, I do want to send them an email. So for the action, I am going to type in send, and here you can see that I can send them an email, I can send them an SMS, messenger, and I also can send an internal notification. So for that, I am going to use send email. Now in here, I can give an action a different name. I can say that welcome email instead of this email, and then I am going to choose from name and from email. So whenever we send an email, it comes from some kind of name and email that we can select here. We also do have an option of CC and BCC, and in here we can add a subject, let's say welcome email. So this will be the subject of our email, and we can scroll down and we can choose from the existing templates, or we can quickly compose one. This will be best welcome email. Here is XYZ, right? So this is an email. I can just click on save action, and now when someone submits our A2B form, they will get an email from us, and now our automation is completed. So just like that, we do have many different triggers here. You can go ahead and search for any of them, or you can go through each of them, and we do have many different options. We do have a heading here as well. So let's just say if you want to create an automation that triggers on appointments. So you can look under this option, right? And you can also, if you have some kind of events, you can look under this option, right? If you have opportunities, you can look under this option. So we also do have heading here, which you can look into, and you can try to do it from yourself and see how many triggers we do have. And that's how automations work. Thank you.